Hey everyone, welcome back to GetAssist.net, and today I am here to discuss one of the most commonly faced issues with Instagram. Actually, last night when I was using my Instagram, suddenly I got this notification that it has been temporarily locked for security reasons. So I will show you. First of all, I will log into my Instagram account, and then I will show you what notification or what message I got all of a sudden when I was using my Instagram. So yeah, as you can see, this message that has been temporarily logged, and you can see the entire message here. We have detected suspicious activity on your Instagram account and have temporarily logged it as a security precaution. So it's likely that your account was compromised as a result of entering your password on a website designed to look like Instagram. This attack is known as phishing. So over the next few steps, we will ask you to verify your identity to help secure your account and let you log back in. So as you can see, this happened because Instagram suspected some suspicious activity, all right, and they thought that my account has been compromised, my account has been hacked by someone else. So just to secure it, they have temporarily logged it, and that's not a problem as far as you can verify your identity. So here is the option. You have to press continue, and then you have to complete a few steps to just log back into your Instagram account. So I will show you how to do that. So yeah, press continue. So as you can see that I'm getting this message that help us confirm you own this account. We will send you a security code to verify your identity. So they are going to send me a code on my email address that is linked to my Instagram account, and as you can see, there is no other option. So there is only one option to get your temporarily logged Instagram back, only if you are able to verify your account by using your email address or phone number. So in my case, I am getting my email address. So yeah, I have access to my email address, so I will simply press this option, send security code, and now I will check my email for the security code that I am going to receive from Instagram. So yeah, I have received my code on my email, and I'm going to enter that right here. So if you are not getting any code from them, what you have to do is you can simply press this option, get a new one. All right, in my case, I have received the code. Now just press submit, and now I have to change my password to secure my account. All right, I cannot use the old password even if I remember that. So here I need to change my password so that I can secure my account. So here I am going to save my new password. So after you have entered the new password, press next. So yeah, I think now I can log into my Instagram account. I will simply press login. Okay, it is showing incorrect password, so maybe I have to remove that password and then enter the new password that I have just changed. All right, I have entered my new password. Now I will again press login. So yeah, as you can see, I am able to log into my Instagram account. So that was so easy. If your account has been temporarily logged for security reasons, you can easily get it back if you are able to verify your identity. Like I showed you in my video, I just entered the code that I received on my email address. They asked me to change my password, and using the new password, I was able to log into my Instagram account, and now I can continue scrolling through news feed. So yeah, that was all for this video. If you still have any issues left, you can mention them in the comment box below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such informational and useful videos. And I will take the leave now. We'll see you with a new video.